Hello everyone, my name is Nushin and welcome to Lingo Lab. Today's episode is based on one of the most famous TED Talks ever, Do Schools Kill Creativity by Sir Ken Robinson.
Good morning. How are you? It's been great, hasn't it?
We'll explore powerful vocabulary, natural expressions for giving opinions, and questions that challenge your thinking. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's look at this short quote from the TED Talk.
My contention is that creativity now is as important in education as literacy, and we should treat it with the same status.
This one sentence is packed with useful English. Let's break it down and learn how to use it. Alright, vocabulary and expressions. Let's look at 3 advanced expressions from this quote. Expression number 1, as important as. This is a comparison structure. It means 2 things are equally important. For example, you could say, speaking is as important as writing in English exams. Can you make a sentence using as important as? Share it in the comments. Number 2, treat something with the same status. This means to give something equal value, attention, or respect. For example, we should treat mental health with the same status as physical health. Think of something people don't take seriously. What should be treated with more respect? Number 3, creativity. This noun means the ability to use imagination and original ideas. Creativity is essential in solving problems at work. Now, I have got a little tip for you. Try combining vocabulary together. For example, you could say, we must treat creativity with the same status as academic knowledge. Now let's learn how to give opinions using advanced expressions. Here's some useful phrases. Let's practice. The question is, do you think schools help or hurt creativity? Say your answers using one of these phrases. For example, in my view, schools focus too much on exams and not enough on creativity. Now you try. Pause the video and say your opinion out loud, or leave it in the comments.
What we do know is, if you're not prepared to be wrong, you will never come up with anything original. If you're not prepared to be wrong.
He said, if you're not prepared to be wrong, you'll never come up with anything original. The phrase, to be prepared to be wrong, it means to be willing to make mistakes. And come up with something, it means to invent or create an idea or solution. This is useful for speaking about innovation, risk, creativity, or failure. For example, startups must be prepared to be wrong if they want to come up with innovative solutions. Now you tell me, when was the last time that you came up with something creative? Were you afraid of being wrong? Tell me in the comments.
They have become frightened of being wrong, and we run our companies this, by the way. We stigmatize mistakes.
We stigmatize mistakes. This phrase, to stigmatize something, it means to make it seem socially shameful or unacceptable. And mistakes are errors or failures. It means that society punishes people for making them feel ashamed for making mistakes. For example, you could say, many cultures stigmatize mental illness, making it harder to seek help.
And the result is that we are educating people out of their creative capacities.
We educate people out of their creative capacities. The phrase, to educate someone out of something, it means to unintentionally remove or discourage a trait through education. And creative capacities are abilities to think or act creatively. It is a powerful phrase for discussing education, child development, and societal systems. For example, you could say, traditional schools often educate children out of their curiosity. Or Excessive focus on testing can educate students out of imagination.
Picasso once said this. He said that all children are born artists. The problem is to remain an artist as we grow up.
All children are born artists. The problem is to remain an artist as we grow up. Let's break down the structure. Remain, we have got a noun or adjective as we plus a verb. It means to stay a certain way over time. For example, it's hard to remain open-minded as we grow older. Or, she remained confident even when everyone doubted her. Great work today! You learned advanced vocabulary from a real TED Talk, plus phrases for giving your opinion in English. If you found this lesson helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you never miss a new episode. Goodbye!